Google Gemini new upgrades are insane. Google just dropped a wave of Gemini updates, and trust me, this is wild. We're talking AI that's 3 times faster, a note app that turns into a second brain, APIs that work like magic.
The first useful upgrade is not the hype word, it is latency. If Gemini really gets 3 times faster from multi-token prediction, that changes how agents feel in real work. A chatbot being faster is nice. A coding agent, support bot, or research workflow being faster is a different thing, because every extra weight compounds across the day. The local AI angle matters too. Faster small models mean more private workflows can stay on a laptop instead of calling a server for every tiny step.
Google added auto source organization, mind maps. Yes, mind maps. You upload your stuff and the AI builds a giant visual map of all the ideas, connected, branching, like a brain. Think about that for a second. You drop in 20 PDFs, bunch of YouTube transcripts, some articles, maybe a few of your own notes, and NotebookLM just organizes it all, shows you how everything connects. You can click on any branch and dive deeper. You can pull out summaries. You can build full scripts from it. This is not a note app anymore. This is a second brain, and it's free to use right now.
NotebookLM is the sleeper update. The value is not just summarizing PDFs, it is turning messy source piles into a map you can argue with. For creators, that means scripts can start from receipts instead of vibes. For teams, it means meeting notes, docs, research, and customer feedback can become a navigable knowledge base. The risk is obvious. A pretty mind map can make weak sources look organized. So the win is map plus citations, not map plus citations, not map alone.
Google upgraded something called file search inside the Gemini API. And the upgrades are wild. Before, the AI could only search through text. Like, you'd give it a document and it could find words in it. Useful but limited. Now, it can search through text, images, documents, and visual stuff all at once. Same pipeline. Query. You ask one question, and it pulls answers from everywhere. PDFs, screenshots, photos, charts, all of it. But here's the part I love. Page-level citations. The AI now tells you exactly which page it pulled the info from. So if it says something, you can check it. You can verify. No more guessing if the AI made it up. This is huge. Because the biggest fear with AI has always been hallucinations. The AI making stuff up. Now you have receipts. You have proof. You can trust the answer because you can see the source.
This is the update I would care about if I were building business software. Multimodal file search, page-level citations, and metadata filters are boring in the best way. They are the difference between a demo assistant and something a team can actually trust. The assistant needs to search PDFs, screenshots, charts, and docs, then point back to the exact source. Otherwise, it is just a confident autocomplete box. The webhook update is another grown-up software feature. Polling is the old pattern. Keep asking if the job is done. Webhooks let Gemini call your app when the work finishes. That sounds small, but it matters for agents that run in the background. Think long document processing, research jobs, media generation, CRM cleanup, or internal approvals. You do not want a fragile loop checking every few seconds. You want the AI workflow to report back when there is a real event. The TV features are the flashiest part, but I would not rank them first. AI images and video on a living room screen are a distribution move. Google wants generation to feel like a normal household feature, not a separate creator tool. That could be huge for adoption, but for builders, the serious signal is simpler. Google is pushing AI into every surface. Phone, browser, notes, API, TV. The product strategy is ubiquity. So the compressed checklist is this. Watch latency first, because speed changes usage. Test NotebookLM if your work starts with scattered sources. Care about Gemini API citations if accuracy matters. Use webhooks when the workflow needs to run without babysitting. Treat TV AI as the consumer adoption signal, not the main builder feature. The headline is Gemini upgrades. The real story is Google turning AI from a chat box into infrastructure that sits inside everything.